Go this way.
No, you have to sit here.
No, you gotta go out here. Come on.
But there.
Hurry, come on.
Kelsey, that's your chair over there.
Okay, it looks just like my other one.
Where's my darn table? I don't know where. Just set it on your lap. I'm coming! I'm coming! That's it! How are you doing, Big Brother?
Good.
I'm ready to go shoot some deer.
I'm on the first shot.
You're deer.
I'm on the first shot.
Hey! Your gun's not loaded!
No, I didn't press the button. No. See what?
Ariel! That's my kidney! Deer's over there.